Thank you for clicking on my video about my Shark AI vacuum, RoboVac. It's been awesome having, we've had it for about a year now. And at this point, I'm noticing that the filters and some of the, where are those brushes? The brushes are getting bent. So what I did is I bought this repair kit, and we're gonna take it apart and put that in it today. We actually had a plug, the filter that is actually in here got all plugged up, and I looked at it and I just thought, you know what, let's do all the filters. What we have here, I don't know, it looks like a couple filters. Got my bristle brushes back, pre-filter of some sort. We're gonna have to figure out where all these things go. I've done a little bit of looking around. Got one there. Look at how bad that is. So it looks like that Phillips head there is what holds it in. Put that new one in there. Jeez, look at that. Yeah, it was time. I'll take this, just slip a new one in there. Now this is the one, this one actually got plugged up just the other day. Put that down there. It looks like it just fits right in there just like that. And then you just set this piece right on top. That one's good to go. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. These were getting bad. Starting to look like that. That's not okay. This is cool. See, they have this little knife here for cutting it. That's really nice. Wish I had that before. So yeah, beater bar's seen better days. Really starting to get torn there. Put the new one in. Alrighty, there it is. These will just pull off. Alright, all new filters all around. And I like this rebuild kit. It came with this fancy brush. That's awesome. Came with extras of these. I kind of wish the unit came with extras to begin with. And then they sent two of these, two extras of these as well. So we'll plop it down and see how she's running. Home base back. So the battery life's pretty good on the unit. It works. It does the whole main level before needing to charge. If you put it on max clean, then it may need to charge before finishing the entire floor. It's really a nice unit though. It's sleek, it's small, it goes under this couch. You just saw how easy the maintenance was. We just put new filters in. It does say that the hub has a capacity of 30 day or something. I don't really think it's that. With all the dog hair in this house, we dump it every time. As for performance, though, it speaks for itself. The thing does a great job. The stand-up vacuum hardly comes out. And I like too with the app, it can map your whole main level. So you actually have a map of where you want to send the robot. You can have it do room by room, have it do the main level, have it only do half the main level. You can choose all that. The thing does good on carpet as well as hard floor. I really like the lines that it leaves in the carpet personally. I know it doesn't really mean anything, but I do like that. You still have to move the furniture and to let the unit get where it has to go. There's, I can see right now there's crumbs that were under that one, but it's nice. You can leave, set the robot on, come home, and the house is all vacuumed.